Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing or unbagging, if you will, slash review on my order that I just received from Blushing BB Slimes. I purchased two slimes from her this time around, and I got them in two different textures that are new to her shop. One of them is mochi mousse, and the other one is satin butter. The satin butter is Twinkie Puff, and the mochi mousse is whipped honey. She included in this package Twizzlers and Nerds, a little baggie with borax in it, and a slime care card with some information on it. The first slime I'm going to be showing you is the Twinkie Puff, which is a satin butter. She says on her website it is a butter slime and a slay slime hybrid. I'm absolutely loving these dome lids. I really want to get them for my slimes. Look at how much room you have up top. Isn't that great? No more trying to twist the cap on and having all the slime just start squishing out the sides. This slime is a 6-ounce container and it was $14. In my opinion, it's a little on the pricey side for 6 ounces. I feel more so like $14 is how much you would pay for an 8-ounce, but that's just my opinion. She does have really nice containers and really nice slimes. So, is it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. This slime is scented like Twinkies, and it is the color of Twinkies, and it's really nice. It's a really nice scent. It's nice and pullable and moldable and holdable, and it has a nice glossy sheen to it with decent bubble pops and a nice bit of inflation. Nothing too crazy, which I kind of like because I don't want to have to take out another container to put half of my slime in after I'm done playing with it. So, yeah, this was really nice. This next one is Whipped Honey, which is her new mochi mousse texture. On her website, it says it is a combination of an icy slime, cloud cream, butter, and slay slime. This one is also $14 for 6 ounces. This one to me kind of looks like a super glossy bread slime. She says it's supposed to have the consistency of mochi, which it does. I did find it a little harder to stretch than the other one, but on her website, she did state that it was moderately stretchy. So it's really nice to play with, and you guys, it smells so good. It's scented like honey and vanilla bean. It's nostalgic. I can't figure out what it smells like, but it's definitely a scent that I remember from somewhere, sometime. It's really good. I am thinking that I might add some glycerin to this just to try to give it a little bit more of a stretch. This one is, definitely the kind of slime that you're going to play with, one handed or just squishing at it a lot, poking at it a lot. It doesn't have major clicks when you poke at it or anything, but it is really creamy and feels really nice to press with your fingers. Shipping for both of these was $7.91, bringing the total to $35.91. She shipped them priority and they made it here in about a week. I think it was about a week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and also check me out on Instagram. I will link everything in the description below, and I hope you guys have a great day.